Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to blur faces on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to cover someone's face while editing. So, go ahead and choose your video or photo. I have this, and you're gonna want to tap on effects, video effects. You're gonna want to find blur, and as you can see, it's already blurred. And now you're gonna want to save it. So just save that and done. Go back to your project, go to effects again, and now delete this. So now you're gonna want to go to overlay, add overlay, tap on the video you downloaded, make sure that it's up to size, and now tap on, you're gonna want to scroll first, tap on mask and choose a shape you want it. I'm just gonna do circle and then put it above the face, and there you go, she's blurred now. It's that simple. It's very easy actually. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.